Dear students, today we'll discuss about one more type of letter, that is application for job. Before I start, I just want to tell you there are two parts for writing an application for job. One is covering letter, another is biodata. So first of all, we will discuss about the covering letter, which is here in front of you. First of all, I read the question. You are Sanjay Gupta. Recently, you read an advertisement for the post of maths teacher lying vacant in St. Xavier School, Agra. You find yourself as a suitable candidate for the post. Write a job application for the same in the given word limit. So, here we have been given the name of a person, but we don't know the address. So we will make the address ourselves only, 42 AB Colony, Agra. We will write the address in a way that we will not give any clue of our real address. Then date. After that, one line gap. Then receiver's address. Obviously, if we are applying in a school, we will address to the principal. Only the principal. Name of the school is already given, St. Xavier School, Agra. Then subject, little bit shifting towards the right side, application for the post of maths teacher. As I told you, subject should be very much clear and concise. Leaving one line gap, now it's a time for writing salutation, respected sir. Comma will not be put and the word respected will be written complete. Then we will start with the content. With reference to your advertisement published in the Tribune for the post of maths teacher lying vacant in your esteemed institution, I offer my candidature for the same. So here you are giving the introduction. You need to mention where from you got to know about the advertisement, for which post, and you are showing your interest for the same. Leave one line gap after one paragraph. Then in second paragraph, you will talk about the summation of your qualification, certificates and all. As far as my academic qualification, participation in sports and other co-curricular activities are concerned, I enclose my complete biodata herewith. This is a formal language, like enclose word you are using here, and herewith means here with this application. It's one word only, herewith. Then in the third paragraph, we will sum up our covering letter. Sir, if you give me the opportunity to serve your school, I ensure you that I will perform my duties sincerely and try to win the confidence of my superiors. Thanking you without leaving any gap. Then one line gap, we will write complimentary clause, as I told you while discussing the format. Yours faithfully. Then signature, of course, you are Sanjay here, so you will put the signature as Sanjay. And in the third line, in bracket, you will write the name Sanjay Gupta in capitals. A very special feature of this application for the job is enclosure, that we will write in the end. Don't forget to write, because examiners can easily catch it that you have missed this part. Leave one line gap, then put this heading ENCL, means enclosure. So what you are enclosing here? Number 1, biodata. Number 2, photocopies of academic certificates, like you are enclosing 4 to 5 certificates, 10th class, 12th, BA, MA. So you will put in bracket 5, means you have attached 5 attested photocopies of certificates. Then suppose you are putting some more certificates, you are giving the certificates of sports, then again in the third column you will write this, and in bracket you write either number 4, 3, whatever it may be, but enclosure is to be written for sure. So this is all about the covering letter. I hope so everything is clear to you.